Welcome to the third part, which is the rendering part. We are going to export this model to Lumion, and it's very easy. If you don't have this Lumion plugin installed, then you can choose to export this model through. You can export it as FBS file. FBS. Then you import it in Lumion. So I have my plugin installed, Lumion Live, which is the latest one, 2024, the latest one. Okay. Then I have my Lumion also open. My Lumion is open over here. It's jamming. Yes. Then I have to turn on my live sync. So I'll do it live. Live sync, this one. So I'll click on it. I'll wait for it to move the model from Revit to Lumion. So, okay, it's on. It's on. So let me go to Lumion. I have to lower my quality because I'm using more CPU and GPU, because I'm using the same machine to do the screen recording at the same time audio. Okay. So I can find my model in Lumion. So this is my model in Lumion. Okay. So let's start with the material settings. So I'll go to material editor. Let me change. This one will be remain white. White. Then this side will be, let me use some stones over here. Let me use these stones. Then I'll increase the relief. Then I will saturate it small. Okay. For this asphalt, I'll increase the scale. Then really small. And then the color, I'll increase the black. Now, okay. Then this grass, I'll change it to this grass. Then I'll make it a little bit green. Okay. Then here, I'll change it to some. Let me change it to these tones. Let's see. Okay, this one is cool. So stones, let me change that side. Mhm. Let me change that side too. Oh, freak. No. Let me change this side too. Okay. Then release. I'll leave it small. The material, you can use any material that can suit you. Mhm. Okay, so let's do one thing here. Let's take our shot, camera shot, go to photo. Mhm. So how to take a good shot in Lumion. So you can be at the side, go down, use the E to go down, E key to go down. Mhm. Then use the WASDF, those the up, down, left and right. Mhm. So you position it well, increase the focal length. Mhm. So let me take it like this. Mhm. I think this okay. Then let me take another one from the front. Okay. So then I'll take, I want the row to show. So I'll go back a little bit. Uh, then I'll take one from this side. So we have these two short. Okay. So let's go back to our material placing. So let's place some flowers over here. Fast, 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 fast. So I'll go to content library. I'll go to the nature. Go to place. So let's place some plants, small ones at the side. Let me change these trees at the side. The one at the front, let me delete it so that it won't cover my building. Then let me place. Let me play this one over here. And add some small plants. Then the same thing applies to here. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me change the side material. Okay. Mm, So this is just a simple. Just simple. This one is just simple. Uh, let me see from there. Okay, it's cool. Then the front one. Let me see. Okay, that one too is cool. Let me add trees around this. So I'll use the cluster placement so that go faster for me. So I'm going this way. So I'll place my trees. I'll place one car. Let me use this car. Mhm. Okay, I'll place it here. Then I'll rotate it. I don't want white. Let me change the color to, let me use some gray color. Gray. So let me check from this side. So I have to move the car to the front a little bit. Mhm. Okay, it's cool. Mhm. Let me check the other view too. So let me move the car backwards a little bit. Mhm. Yeah, let me check from this side. Okay. It's cool. So we have the two side, this side and the other side. Uh, and let me change this material, the coping material. So coping, let me change it to, let me see. Okay, this will be all fine. So 20 minutes. Let's use the 10 minutes for the rendering settings. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. I hope we can do that. Okay. So, let me save the file before, because Lumion is very stubborn. Desktop. Let me save it here. Revit 24 Lumion. Then I'll hide my quality. Let me hide my qualities for the rendering settings. Okay. So I'll use the realistic. So realistic. Let me see the preview. Okay, so let me start with the settings. So I'll start from the sharpen. 0.7. Okay. Go back. Exposure. 0.6. I'll go back. Oh, color correction. So I increase the brightness. Then I'll reduce the temperature. Then I'll increase the vibrance more. To hyperlight, I'll increase it. 60. Skylight. Brightness. Then shadow. I'll reduce the coloring. Then I'll increase the brightness. Then I'll use the interior and exterior. So let me add more effects. 2-point perspective. Another. Let me add mm, bleach. So bleach, I'll reduce the bleach. I'll reduce the amount. Then object, I'll use this for the trees. Okay. Chromatic, I'll use this effect too. Um, Let me add the sun. Okay. Then let me go to the rare skies. So the heading is a little November. Okay, let me close the light. Okay. For reflection, let me put it at normal. I'll increase this. Okay, so I think this quality is cool for beginners. So it's cool. It's cool for beginners. So if you want more quality, depend on the settings and also your machine GPU. Okay. So I'll render for the final part. So in case you want to render, you go to this render, then you render it. That's all. So see you. Our 30 minutes is over. Okay. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like. If anything is bothering on Revit, you can comment for me to do a tutorials about it. Okay, see you.